Hey girls, hey boys. So for today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to get this devil look right here. This one is a lot more mean than my last video. If you guys saw it, it was my Willy Wonka Violet tutorial. Honestly, I got so much love on that video, so thank you to everyone who loved the video, who enjoyed it, and yeah, it gets me so excited because honestly, when Halloween time comes around, I always get a little iffy because I feel like I'm not as like talented and creative with Halloween looks, but you know what? I just put that thought aside and I was like, you know what? Do whatever looks you want, whether it's creative, easy, whatever. I'm just, you know what? I'm just gonna do it and people are gonna like it or not, but I like them. So thank you for all the love on the other video, and I'm so excited for you guys to see this tutorial. I was like thinking of doing a little cutesy devil, but I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna do devil, I gotta go mean. So this is the look that I will be showing you guys and how I did it and all that good stuff. And I'm a little nervous to go and take this off because I don't know how it's gonna leave my skin or how my bathroom's gonna look. So let's just get right into the video. But before we start this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on the little notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So we're just gonna jump straight into the tutorial because I honestly don't know how long this is gonna take. I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, so I have two face palettes that I'm gonna be using. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna use the other one yet, but this is the, I'm not sure the name. What is the name of this? The CC Beauty Professional Cosmetics 12 Flash Color Case. I got this from Amazon, so I think I'm gonna be using this one, but I also picked up one from Wet n Wild, and I was like, okay, Wet n Wild, they're stepping their game up. I went to Target and it was only $5, so I'm excited. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna need this one, but I have both with me and I'll decide if I need to use both. But starting off with the Amazon one, I'm gonna go into that red shade and pretty much just paint my entire face, down the neck, everything. Okay, so we're just gonna speed this through because it's self-explanatory. Get yourself a brush and start painting everywhere. So the brush I'm going to be using is this contour brush by Real Techniques. Either this one or my crown brush. So we're just going to start painting the whole face and neck red. I already know this is gonna be a pain to take off. I'm not ready. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh god, I just hope it does not stain me red because usually like red and pinks, they kind of wear off within a couple of days. So I'm in for a treat. Oh my god, look at this. So now what I'm gonna do is set this because I don't want to be like dewy. I want to be matte. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Universal powder and then just set this whole thing going on. Okay? And so we can get this done fast, I'm using my Morphe E41 fluffy brush and we're just gonna set this redness. lips, we're gonna go back to those later, so you look a little crusty right now, but don't mind it. Okay, so now for the brows, I'm going to use a black eyeliner. So I have here my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil and my Ciate Wonderland Gel Kohl Liner, and they're both in the shade black. And I'm doing black eyebrows because that's just gonna complement everything. I don't think brown would look good. You're not gonna be able to see the brown anyways. So yeah, we're gonna use a black pencil. And honestly, it's acceptable to have bold brows for this look, okay? Because there's no way I'm gonna make a nice ombre black eyebrow. I already know it. Alright, so now that these bold ass brows are done, girl, I look crazy right now. Oh my god. Holy shit, I look scary. Going into my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade at the bottom right here. It's almost black, it's right next to the black. We'll get there later. And I'm using my MAC 224 Bunny Brush. Back into the palette, I'm going to take the black shade and I'm using my Vasanti Contour Eyeshadow Brush and the number 4. We're just going to put the black shade on the outer corner and also bring it into the crease. Alright, so now going back into the red, I'm going to use that to cut my crease, and I'm taking a Real Techniques detailer brush and we're just going to cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the 3502 palette and take this matte red shade right here and just pack that on top of where I cut the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter glue and apply that right on top of where we cut the crease. And now I'm going to take my NYX Face and Body Glitter Brilliance in the shade red and apply that right on top of the red eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take a concealer brush and go back into the red and just clean up the edges of the eyeshadow. So now I'm going to quickly apply some lashes, and I'm going to be using my Morphe Romancing lashes. I'm going to do that off camera and I will be right back. So instead of my Morphe lashes, they weren't dramatic enough, so I ended up using my Lily Havana lashes. So that is what I have on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the contour part. So we're going to go back into the Morphe 3502 palette and take the black shade to contour our face, basically using that as our bronzer. And I'm using this e.l.f. powder brush. It's more of like a tiny brush, so it's not really a powder brush. And we're going to use that to contour. My skin is not liking this black eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go back into the black eyeliner pencil and use that as my black lipstick because I don't have a black lipstick. So I'm just going to use this eyeliner. And I'm going to go back into my face palette and just take the black shade and apply a little bit of that on the lips. And now for the final part, let me go ahead and take my hair down. Oof. Hold on. Oh my god. So last but not least, we need to do the devil ears. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on. I'm going to make sure my ears don't show because I only painted half. You see that? So this is the finished devil makeup look. Honestly, I don't know how to feel about this red body. I feel crazy. Like, this is something very, very different from what I was going to do. At first, I was thinking about doing a cute little glitter liner with the devil ears, but I'm like, no. If you're gonna do devil, you gotta go mean and you gotta go hard. So this is the look that I did for you guys today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I'm a little nervous to go into the shower. I just hope that it all comes off and it doesn't stain my bathtub. Fingers crossed. Leave a comment down below on Halloween tutorial suggestions. I have a whole bunch planned out, but if you have one in particular that you want me to do, comment that down below and I will keep it in mind. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is Emily Forever Ever. And also, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, stay spooky, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!